You see this? This isn't just ugly, it's dangerous. A headlight this fogged cuts your light output by more than half. You're basically driving with your eyes half closed at night, and the dealership wants over $1,000 to fix it. But you don't need new headlights. What you need are the 5 temporary hacks that'll get you clear in minutes, and the one permanent step-by-step method I use in my shop that'll keep them clear for years. Let's get into it. We'll start with the quick fixes, the Band-Aids. They work, but you need to know why they fail. Hack number 5, toothpaste. You've heard this one, and it's not wrong. Whitening toothpaste contains mild abrasives, like hydrated silica. It's basically a very fine, very gentle sandpaper in a tube. Here's how you do it right. Get a plain white non-gel toothpaste. Squeeze a generous line onto a damp, clean microfiber cloth. Rub it onto the lens using small, tight circles. Really work it in for a good 3 to 5 minutes. You'll see the paste turn gray. That's the oxidized plastic coming off. Rinse thoroughly and dry. You'll get a noticeable pop in clarity for about a week, maybe 2, because toothpaste cleans, but it offers 0 protection. The second UV light hits that fresh plastic, it starts oxidizing again, faster than before. It's a quick shine, but a fast fade. Hack number 4, baking soda and vinegar. This is the kitchen cabinet special. The abrasive power of baking soda plus the acidic cutting power of vinegar. It's a solid 1-2 punch against surface grime. Make a thick paste, 3 parts baking soda to 1 part vinegar. Apply it with a soft cloth or sponge using the same circular motion. Work it for a few minutes, rinse, and admire the short-term gain. But just like the toothpaste, you're only addressing the symptom, not the disease. You've scrubbed off the dead layer, but you've left the fresh plastic completely naked to the sun. It's a cleaner clean, but still a temporary fix. Now this next one, it works shockingly well, and that's the problem. Hack number 3, bug spray with DEET. This is the magic trick that's really a trick on you. People spray it on, wipe it off, and their headlights look crystal clear. It feels like sorcery. Here's the dark secret. DEET isn't a cleaner. It's a potent solvent. It doesn't polish the plastic. It melts the very top layer. As that layer liquefies and relevels, it looks clear. But in doing so, it utterly destroys the factory UV coating. You are chemically stripping any last bit of protection the lens had. The result? A brilliant one-day shine, followed by a comeback of yellowing that's worse, deeper, and more stubborn than ever. You are trading tomorrow's clarity for today's clarity. Unless you're selling the car tonight, skip this one. The WD-40 Quick Mask, the legendary can of 1,000 uses. And yes, a quick spray and wipe will make your lenses look clearer, instantly. WD-40 is a light oil and solvent blend. When you apply it, it fills in the millions of microscopic cracks and pits in the oxidized plastic, creating a smoother surface that light can pass through more easily. It's an optical illusion, a very effective one. But it's just that, an illusion. The oxidation is still there, hiding under a thin film of oil. The first rain, the first car wash, and the film is gone, revealing the same foggy lens. It's a fantastic trick for a photo shoot or a quick sale, but it is not a solution. All these hacks are just putting lipstick on a sun-bleached, oxidized piece of plastic. To actually fix it, you need to remove the damage and then seal it. That's where the kits come in. Hack number 1, headlight restoration kits. This is the middle ground. Not a hack, not quite the full pro method. These kits give you sandpaper, a polish, and sometimes a sealant. They work. They're far better than toothpaste. The 3M kit with the drill attachment is thorough. The Sylvania kit has a great UV blocking sealant. The Turtle Wax kit is simple for beginners. For $20 to $40, you can get results that last a year or more. But even these kits have a weakness. The sealants they include are often adequate, not exceptional. They'll buy you serious time, but they won't match the hardness and longevity of a true automotive-grade finish. And that leads us to the only method that isn't a hack. It's the cure.